Good morning and welcome to the Blend Factory. This morning we're going to look at our largest mobile plant, the A240. Like the E-Series plants, the A240 can mix many different materials. So from different grades of concrete, up including RCC, that's roller compacted concrete, screeds, mortars, grouts, shotcretes, both dry and wet. And also like the E-Series, the A240 is very often used to produce cold asphalt. The advantage of the A240 is it's the most mobile plant on the market. A truly mobile plant that can be set up and working in 2 hours from arrival on site. When the A240 arrives at the job site, it's on a flatbed truck. No crane is required to unload it because we have 4 pistons, 2 here at the beginning and 2 at the end of the plant. The pistons hydraulically extract, lower themselves, raise the plant, and at that point the truck can drive away. Like the other blend plants in the E-Series as well, the A240 can be powered either by a diesel engine or an electric motor. In this case we have a stage 5 110 kilowatt Caterpillar engine. Caterpillar engine and hydraulic pumps together. The A240 is a 3-hopper plant. So here we have hopper 1, 2 and 3. Each hopper can hold up to 13 cubic meters of material. We have the placing belt which slews out, and we'll see that in a minute, in order to be able to fill either a truck or directly feed concrete into a truck mixer. Moving towards the end of the plant where we have the mixer itself, it's a double twin shaft paddle mixer, and the whole output of the plant can produce up to 120 cubic meters of mixed material per hour. So here we are on the top of the plant, and so you can see from above the 3 aggregate hoppers. Obviously they're loaded on the far side, and then with these raisable side edges, you can, as I say, you can reach up to 13 cubic meters of material in each single bin. Looking inside the bin at the bottom, you can see the belt. Each hopper is fitted with its own belt, which then feeds onto the main belt, which introduces the material into the mixer itself. Each aggregate hopper has raisable walls, so you can store more material, up to 13 cubic meters per hopper. Each is fixed with its own safety grille, and at the bottom it has its own belt. Each hopper is on 4 weigh cells which measure the material being introduced onto the belt by negative weighing. Here we are at the end of the plant, so the 3 aggregate hoppers are here and the cement silo is here. Below us is the mixer. So here we can see the cement silo and the double cement screws introducing the cement into the mixer. Here we can see the 2, in this case 2 additive hoses which introduce the additive, liquid additive, into the mixer itself. And here we can see the covering of the double twin shaft mixer. So I'm just going to open the mixer now into the washing and maintenance position. Here's how we open the mixer cover in order to access the mixer and to clean it. As you can see, twin shaft mixer with the paddles evenly spaced, as we found that this gives an optimum mix and it's very easy to clean and access. So with the mixer in the open position, which we do either to do maintenance or to wash it every day, or more than once a day, we have the washing hose in a very convenient position. Easily detached, easy to reach the mixer, and also it's a self-rewinding hose. So here we are under the covers on the loading side of the machine. Here we want to show you the hoppers, each single belt under the hopper, and the main belt which brings the material into the mixer. So the hopper, the belt, the main belt. So now we put the belt into a working position. This belt slews 90 degrees in order to unload at a height of 4.2 meters, so it can load easily into a truck mixer or into a flatbed truck. Let's see the belt opening and into its working position. So this is the radio remote control that we saw before. It's the same as the radio remote that we use on the E-Series. Start and stop production. 6 buttons to move the placing belt, adding more and reducing water. This knob controls the unloading speed, so the speed of the belt itself, emergency stop. So the placing belt, once it's in position, as I say, reaches a height of 4.2 meters. It's 11.5 meters long. But as you saw, it's very easy to open and close and put into a different working position if necessary. So here we are at the main A240 command center. We can see the receiver for the radio remote control, have the radio remote control. And then moving to the right, we can see the control panel for the diesel engine. And then in the center, we have the main control panel for the plant itself. So here we have several of the alarm buttons, the maximum and minimum levels, the cement screws, and so on. We have the printer for the immediate output of the printing ticket for production, and then the control panel itself, where everything can be controlled and all of the features of the plant are here. 240, the largest mobile mixing machine, truly mobile with a high output and all types of production guaranteed.